All right, class. Today I'm going to be making a short video to show you how to make the clay beads for your sculpture. And this is only if you are going to be making a shaker, right? These are already made, obviously. You can see here it's a cup full, and this is about how much you're going to need for this size. So anyway, so get a cup. When you fill it up, then you know that you got about the right amount. If you use a penny as a measuring device, you're gonna see that it's gonna be smaller. And this is fine. If I was to put this clay bead on top of a dime, which I don't have, then that would be the smallest you would want to make the clay bead. And a penny should be the biggest. So again, your clay bead should not be bigger than a penny, and it should not be smaller than a dime. All right. So anyway, here's a bead that is about the size of a penny. See that right there? Let's make one real quick. So I would suggest that you use recycle clay. You can see that this clay is the scraps that I've been saving from my projects. And so this would be the right place to use it. So with some clay, roll it. And if you want to use the penny, again, there you go. There you go, right there. All right, that's the size of a penny. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that you're gonna need paper towels and some scissors. You're gonna need to cut this about that size. I would say the size of your palm. If you want an approximation of how big this should be, I would say 4 inches by 4 inches, about 4 inches by 4 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? But it's just about 4 inches by 4 inches. So you cut a bunch of these, and then once you make the ball of clay, put it right in the middle and roll it like a candy. So that. And then you're gonna cut some of the excess with here like this, but not too much. See that right there? And that's pretty much it. And this size of a clay bead is gonna give you the ideal sound, the ideal pitch. All right.